Hello everyone, Jai Swaminarayan, Principles of Management Semester 5. The subject code is 3151103. This is the subject code Semester 5. So let's discuss. Principles of Management Semester 5. The subject code is 3151103. Unit 4. Functions of Management: Planning, Organizing, Staffing, Controlling and Leading. These are the functions of management. In the previous lecture we have discussed about importance of planning and what is the role of planning, and we have discussed the definition, how to achieve goals, and how to organize staffing and controlling in detail through graph also. So let's discuss today. Today we are discussing about planning. It is the basic function of management. It deals with chalking out a future course of action and deciding in advance the most appropriate course of actions for achievement of predetermined goals. This is the basic function of management, that we have to chalking out the future course of action and deciding in advance the most appropriate course of actions for achievement of predetermined goals also. प्री-डिटरमाइंड गोल के लिए हम जो भी सक्सेस पाना चाहते हैं उसके लिए वी हैव टू प्लान इट. इफ आवर गोल इज फिक्स्ड इन अवर माइंड देन वी आवर एक्शंस मस्ट बी स्टार्ट. इट इज़ एन एक्सरसाइज इन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग. दिस इज अ एक्सरसाइज इन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग एंड डिसीजन मेकिंग. Planning is determination of courses of action to achieve desired goal. We want to achieve desired goal, means to have to be planned according to that. Thus, planning is the systematic thinking about ways and means for accomplishment of predetermined goals. Planning is necessary to ensure proper utilization of human and non-human resources. So planning is a systematic thinking about ways and means of for accomplishment of predetermined goals also. So we must have to be first of all fixed plan in our mind and start our actions and non-human resources also involved in this plan. It is all pervasive. It is an intellectual activity and it also helps in avoiding confusion, uncertainties, etc. Organizing. We are going to discuss about the definition of organizing. L. White, he shares the definition of organizing. Organization is the arrangement of personnel for facilitating the accomplishments of some agreed purpose through allocation of functions and responsibilities. This definition is said by L. White. Ludher Gulick, he shares one definition regarding organizing. Organization is a formal structure of authority. Organization is a formal structure of authority through which work subdivisions are arrangement. Organizer employees must be also divided to their tasks and defined and coordinated for the defined objectives. This definition is shared by Ludher Gulick. Organizing, it is the process of bringing together physical, financial and human resources and developing productive relationship among them for achievement of organizational goals. So it is the process of bringing together physical आना चाहिए, financial and human resources and developing productive relationship among them also. According to Henry Fayol, to organize a business is to provide it with everything useful or its functioning. This is a definition which is stated by Henry Fayol. For example, raw materials, tools, capital and personals. To organize a business involves determining and providing human and non-human resources to the organizational structure. Organizing as a process which involves it is nourishing management also. In the organizing phase, relationships are defined, procedures are outlined, equipment is readied and tasks are assigned. This is the organization task, and this is we can say nourishing management. Organizing also involves establishing a formal structure that provides the best possible coordination or use of resources to accomplish unit objectives. Organizing it and also involves establishing a formal structure which provides the best possible coordination or use of resources to accomplish unit objectives. Stuffing. We are going to discuss about the meaning of stuffing. Stuffing is the process of filling positions or codes in the organization with adequate and qualified personnel. It is the process of filling positions and codes in the organization with adequate and qualified personnel. Stuffing is the process of acquiring, deploying and retailing a workplace of sufficient quantity and quality to create positive impacts on the organization's effectiveness. This is the meaning of stuffing. Stuffing has assumed a greater importance in the recent years due to advancement of technology, increase in size of business, complexity of human behavior, etc. It is called stuffing. The main purpose of stuffing is to put right man on right job. Stuffing का main purpose ये है is to put right man on right job. For example, square pegs in square holes and round pegs in round holes, like that. This is the best example of stuffing. According to Goods and O'Donnell, managerial function of stuffing involves manning the organization structure through proper and effective selection, appraisal and development of personnel to fill the roles designed and the structure. The definition here is shared by Goods and O'Donnell regarding stuffing. Nature of stuffing. Stuffing is a basic function of management. Stuffing is a basic function of management. It is concerned with human resource management in the organization. Stuffing function is performed continuously. The main purpose of this function is to make optimum use of human resources. Optimum यानी ज़्यादा यूज़ करना चाहिए हमें स्टफिंग का. Stuffing is performed by all managers. Stuffing is different from other managerial functions also because it deals with humans' needs, emotions and aspirations. Importance of stuffing. What are the importance of stuffing? Let's discuss training and development, effective coordination, effective recruitment and placement, and building effective human resource. These are the importance of stuffing. Look at here, stuffing. Stuffing may be defined as that function of management. This is the function of management which is concerned with selecting, developing, maintaining and utilizing the manpower such that the objectives of the organization are achieved economically and effectively. The objectives of individual employees of the organization are accomplished to the highest degree possible, serving in the process the objectives of the community at large. राइट 1998 में इन्होंने स्टफिंग की डेफिनेशन इन द फंक्शन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट में शेयर की थी. थैंक यू वेरी मच डियर ऑल.